Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix home would like to send you critical alerts issue on your Apple device in iOS 27. So guys, if you're stuck on this pop-up and your device is frozen and you are unable to use your device and it is unable to work, here I will show you how can you fix this issue and how can you get rid from this pop-up. So guys, in order to fix this issue, you have to simply force restart your device for one time. So guys, to immediately bypass the frozen critical alerts pop-up, perform a force restart. Press and quickly release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, you have to simply force restart your device, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed and your device will be restarted and it will not be frozen anymore. So guys, in this way you can also fix this issue on your Apple devices. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.